Hello students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Saungi. Here is your English teacher Mr. Gajanan sir, and today we are going to discuss about the second part of the story, Bholi. Okay? Bholi is a beautiful story written by K.A. Abbas. And in our earlier class we have discussed that Bholi is the story of a village girl who was discriminated as she had a pockmarks on her face, stammered, and was considered to be a simpleton. Everybody was considered her as a simpleton. Polly suffered an attack of smallpox when she was just 2 years old. She damaged a part of her brain when she fell off from the cot. So what happened? This, this is all about her earlier childhood days. Means she did not have self confidence, so she was unable to speak properly. But when Tahsildar ordered that Ramlal should send his daughter to the school, he sent Bholi to the school. When she entered into the school on first day, she was very much frightened, but the kind-hearted teacher was very good by nature, and she gave a very good positive response to Bholi, and she assured Bholi that surely one day you will become the most educated girl in the village. So Bholi was very much happy first time in her life. So what happened? You students, you know very well that time never stop for anyone. So days converted into months, and months converted into months turns into years, and in this way time passes away. And Bholi, now grown up, her father was very much worried about her marriage, and fortunately he got one unequal match for Bholi. He was a middle aged man, and his name was Bishambar Nath. Bishambar Nath came with a big party of friends and a wedding band. So, what happened? He came along with his friends and all family members. So, when the wedding ceremony was going on, a woman pulled Bholi's veil back from her face, and she noticed that Bholi had an pockmarks on her face. So she was very much shocked, and this man, Bishambarnath, suddenly refused to marry to Bholi, and he asked to Ramlal that he will only be ready to marry with Bholi if Ramlal offered him 5,000 rupees dowry. So what happened? Bholi also agreed to marry an unequal match, that Bishambarnath, just to maintain the honor of the family. Her father Ramlal put even his turban at the feet of greedy bridegroom. He accepted to marry the pockmarked girl only after getting 5,000 rupees as a dowry. Bholi showed the courage of throwing away the garland into the fire, and she spoke in a clear voice. She told her father that she will not marry this greedy, mean, and old looking man. She was not ready to marry just like this greedy man. First of all, initially she was ready only to keep the honor of the family, but when she come to know he was a very greedy person, so she throw away the garland into the fire. So what happened? And she told to her father that it was for the sake of his honor that she was ready to marry Bishambar. But now her father was very much worried about Bholi, that who will marry with her. But Bholi assured him that no need to worry, my dear father. I will look after you and my mother in your old age, and I will work in the same school where I have learned. She turned to the teacher, the only person who had not left for confirmation. Her teacher was the person who transformed Bholi into a very courageous lady. So, students, this story throws light on two aspects. The major theme of the story, Bholi, is the impact of family on children. Bholi is the little girl who fails to develop self confidence because of her parents' attitude towards her. The story hints at why family support and emotional support is an important. And Bholi got at that emotional and family support by her kind-hearted teacher. And the another theme is that education is the most striking weapon through which you can win any type of battle. And because of the good education by Bholi, transform Bholi into a fearless and courageous girl. Okay, students, thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed the story. These are some of the questions, and try to solve this. Thank you, and have a happy